Welcome to my short Apify tutorial on how you can use it. I will just walk you through the platform. The login is very simple, just use Google authentication and then just hop in. And this will be your most important channel, because here you can discover new agents or actors. In this case, Apify calls it actors. So these are the scrapers, and you can either search through these actors by topic, like you want something from the AI space. Then you can say, okay, first of all, yes, the popular ones are listed on the top. Website content crawler, let's just look into here. In this case, it's a pay-per usage. Some actors require a monthly subscription and then give you a usage quota. So pay for usage. In this case, it's just for pay for usage. That's great. And then you actually just place your link you want to scrape into here. That's it. If you want to add multiple ones, you either can press this button, or you can press bulk edit and then add as many as you want here. We're gonna remove these. And yes, you have some other settings. In this case, these will be always a little bit different, of course, but mostly you can leave it as it is. Maybe you can say, okay, if you're scraping a list, you can say, okay, I want to scrape 500, 1,000 leads or results from this page. This is very common, but in this case it says respect the robots.txt file. If you're technical, then you understand what this means. So Google has search results. If you Google something, you get search results, and in this case, if Google wants to search your web page and wants to know, okay, what is in there, it wants to scrape it. Then you have a robots.txt file where you define, okay, do you want your website to be scraped or not? So Google can then present you on their page. In this case, you can say, okay, do I want to respect that same rule or not? It doesn't really matter to us. It's mostly about Google's topic. And most people actually want to be scraped. They want to get in contact with you. Load URLs from sitemaps. Yeah, this is also possible. The sitemap is just, it's actually not that important for now. I just want to give you a quick start, but the sitemap is just a representation with URLs from your web page. So all of these sub pages your website has, you can also put this in. So this will give you more results than in this case, because it will just, for example, start with Apify. If I delete this one, it will start with Apify, and then create, based on the sitemap, an advanced list. And you have also other settings, but it doesn't matter. We can just press save and start, or here on the top, and just see how it works. Starting run. So the actor is now running, and you can see it switched from actors. We selected on the Apify store an actor, and now we are in a run, because you can see here my multiple runs I already started. Sometimes if the run stops, you need to resurrect it, if from a technical error or you somehow used up your resources. And now it's scraping it, and you see already here is an output. And you can say, okay, how do I want the fields to be placed, or yeah, just how it will look. And yeah, that's actually all to it. Really a simple guide into starting. You can then abort it or then export it. Here you can say, okay, what do I want to export? In what format do I want to export it? What fields do you want to include or exclude? You can then just select or deselect it, and you have also other options on you just want to export, I don't know, 200 results or more, you can set it here and be very specific about it. What's else very important? Your schedules. If you want to schedule something like a run and you want it to happen every Monday, for example, then you can create a schedule and have it done automatically. Otherwise, you need a subscription for it. This loads up a budget for your account. This budget can then be used for these actors. There is no possibility to just pay on pay per use and just get this deducted from your card. There is also storage where all of these runs get saved. And this is, for example, after 31 days, they are getting deleted. Here also, there are other settings. These are your actors. You can either create actors for yourself or actors that other people can use. And then, for example, you can see get insights here, get a messaging, and of course, they can also pay you. What's else? You have also your settings. You can just look it through here. There's nothing special. If you want your API token, if you want, for example, connect with N8N, then you would need this token here. And you can also connect and invite team members, have notifications sent somewhere, and your security managed here. What's very important, your billing, if you want to use it more, you can always use it more, but it's a little bit less affordable. If you know, okay, I want to use, I don't know, always for $100 some actors, then you can buy a bigger plane. Otherwise, you can exactly. Otherwise, you can just pay as you run with it. You can see here, pay as you go, pay as you go, pay as you go. And you can see here, it gets cheaper on different plans. Yeah, that's all to it. If you like my video, leave a like, a subscribe, a follow, whatever it takes. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.